So as we folks on Earth celebrate yet another new year, mark the passage for another new year, two small NASA robots, millions of miles away, are nearing a very special achievement of their own. And this achievement is no small achievement. It is an achievement which should be every robot's dream. And that achievement is 7 years spent on the surface of Mars. Now, these two small robots, Spirit and Opportunity, landed on the surface of Mars on January 2004. And when they initially landed, they were supposed to spend around 90 days on the surface of Mars and look out for evidence of water on the planet's surface. But as I told you, they have spent already 7 years there, so they have far outlived their warranties. And what they have achieved is nothing short of remarkable. They have actually fundamentally changed our whole idea about the planet of Mars. They have told us that Mars is much better and warmer than we had ever imagined. Apart from their scientific discoveries, they have also shown what technology is capable of doing. And they have marked the passage of many such missions to not only Mars but distant planets. Or talking on a more abstract level, I would say they have brought Mars closer to Earth and its inhabitants. And those inhabitants do not include only scientists but also laymen like us. John Callis, who is the director of Mars rover mission at NASA, says that till Spirit and Opportunity are there on the surface of Mars, I can very confidently say that Mars is just in the neighborhood of Earth. So, in honor of their achievements, and in this time of New Year resolutions and good intentions, today I'll be speaking about the journey of these two robots on Mars and also what lessons we can gain from that journey. So the first lesson which we can gain is adapting to situations. So as soon as Spirit landed on the surface of Mars, its front tire jammed. Many said that was the end of mission for Spirit. But scientists at NASA thought, okay, the front leg has jammed, so let's move it backwards. And from that time on, my friends, Spirit has only moved backwards. It has definitely decreased its mobility. You can imagine a car which just works with the reverse gear on. But then it has made many of its most remarkable discoveries and inventions moving back only. So it's quite amazing what can be achieved if one just tries to adapt to every situation. The second learning which we can take out of their journey is that sometimes unexpected situations can lead to great outcome. Now in March 2009, Spirit got stuck in soft mud of Mars. Many again thought that this was because its front tire jammed. Somehow it dragged itself from that soft mud, but in the process of dragging itself, it crashed on the surface of Mars and created small splinters. And out of that splinters emerged the compound of silica. Now silica is formed when pure water reacts with rocks. And it was, and it still is, one of the most clear indications that water flowed on the surface of Mars not billions of years ago, but just a few hundred years ago. So that was a big discovery. The third lesson that we can learn is that if you are stuck somewhere, try to do whatever you can do from there. In 2010 again, Spirit got stuck in the soft mud of Mars. But this time it was winter in Mars, because of which Spirit's battery was not charged. And since its battery was not charged, it could not drag itself out of that mud, and it is still stuck there. Nobody knows whether it will ever come out and whether it will move again or not. But then scientists say that even while it's stuck there, it can act as an excellent stationary source on Mars, using which they can precisely calculate the speed of rotation of Mars on its axis. They can precisely calculate the trajectory of Mars around the Sun and also its speed. And using this calculation, they can finally find the exact weight and density of Mars. And through this calculation, they can even know the actual contents in the core of Mars. So even when Spirit is stuck, it is proving itself to be very useful. The fourth and final lesson which we can learn is that sometimes short-term gigs can turn into journeys of lifetime. So these two robots landed on the surface of Mars. They were supposed to spend just 90 days there. They were supposed to cover just 0.6, 0.7 miles there. But they finally covered more than 20 miles They have spent 7 years there and they are still going. They've made significant discoveries. They have achieved what their creators never thought they would achieve. And they are still going. So there are many more achievements yet to come. So in the end, I would like to wish a happy anniversary to Spirit and Opportunity. And I would like to say happy journey also, because their journey has not ended yet. And it has been very well said that if you have the spirit, you can achieve amazing things. Thank you.